Do you guys want to know how we save money by not buying batteries for our power tools? Stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking mainly about Bluetti. And so basically, Bluetti are these battery power banks. And they are basically batteries with AC inverters, and they have different levels, so they can last a lot longer. But first, let me tell you how we got to buy this thing and how it is saving us money when it comes to power tools.
So you have seen us using our DeWalt battery operated tools, and we love them. There's nothing wrong with them. But when it comes to battery tools in general, the problem is that the batteries themselves are extremely expensive. One like this can run for $100, $150, and they are only good for this specific brand. So you end up pretty much stuck with the same brand, even if you wanted to try some others. Now, on our side, we don't have power, and we won't for a while. And we had this problem of the batteries, but we have other devices that also need power. So we said, well, it's a lot of money. Let's see if we can find a better solution.
How do we actually save money with these guys? So basically what we end up doing is we run enough batteries that keeps us working during the day, but as soon as one dies out, we come over, we use our AC inverter power bank, and we charge it. And typically these are very fast chargers. They can get the batteries charged within an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And these guys also last about 2 hours, 3 hours of continuous work. So basically we just keep rotating them through the day. So if you see here, I have 2 batteries that we need, and we would need an additional 2 if we didn't have this guy. That would be approximately $300. This guy is $450, so you can see how it very quickly pays itself. You might also know these are 6 amp flex volt batteries, and this battery type doesn't work with this battery type even within the same brand. So you cannot do the math and figure out how expensive this can get. That said, we also use our Bluettis for many different applications. We use them for power lights, we use them to power laptops, we use them to power LED lights within the shed and all that kind of stuff. So the benefits are humongous. So that said, let's talk a little bit about Bluetti itself.
So Bluetti has different models, but let me show you the one we have. This is the 800 watt Bluetti. It comes with 4 AC adapters. It has USB, USB-C, 12 volt, cigarette adapter. It has a lamp, and it also has this very nice LED display that tells you the charge, and it tells you how much power you are using. It also has a wireless charging here on top for your phone, and that's about it. Now, some of the reasons why we love it is we have used it at 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it kept on delivering, not a problem with cold. Then if you charge it with an AC adapter, it goes from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. I should mention that's the big difference from this brand. You will see others that are way cheaper, but it takes 8 hours to charge. This one is 1 hour to 80% and 3 hours to 100%. You can also charge it with a portable solar panel, which is what we have in here. So as you can see, it's pretty versatile. Besides charging our batteries for our tools, we have used it for the lights at the job site. We have used it for lights at the shed. We connected TV. We were able to watch the World Cup thanks to this device. So it's pretty versatile. It's pretty awesome. And that's about it. So we hope you found this information useful. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.